Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Don't mind the landscapers. They are a little noisy today. So, the new bag came in. God, it looks so nice. It really does. A new washer came in, so we got new hose, new connections, new pump, new bag. And as I was hooking it up, snap. So, we ordered a new one. That's coming in, I think, a couple of days or so. So we'll put that in as soon as we can. Get that all taken care of. This one's going to be kind of a short one this morning. I got so much going on, I don't really have enough time to dedicate everything to one little thing. So we're waiting on more parts for this still. It's got to go in for... get the motor mounts in place so we have to start dropping the engine soon. God, I can't wait. I mean, I legitimately cannot wait to see this finished. It's going to be so nice. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, have a good one.